Do you want to know how you can download Dropbox in your Android device? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download Dropbox. Go to your Play Store, which is in your phone. Go to the search bar and then search for Dropbox. Now you can go ahead and tap on it and then click install. You should wait for a while as Dropbox will download and then shortly install afterwards. Patience is the key, so you can wait for a while. Dropbox is used for sharing and viewing the cloud apps and cloud devices and all the folders. So it is very useful. After installing it, you can open it and now you can log in to your account, which is in your PC or your personal or work account. So this is how you download Dropbox in Android. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.